Hey guys, how we doing? We're here at Rotterdam Square, right over by 99's. You know, there's a lot of people in there having something to eat right now. Just gonna do a little walk here, show you some of the cars that are in the show. And again, we're starting from right over here by the mall entrance, right where 99's is. We'll go down to the 11H here. Yeah, I'm sorry I don't know the names of all these guys on the cars, but we're gonna find out. So, love these Pro Stocks, good looking cars. I take it you're the driver. How we doing, sir?
Pretty good. How's it going?
Good. I'm just doing a little walkthrough, but I'll come back. I wanted to show people some cars, so don't go anywhere, okay?
I'll be here.
And I'll be right back. So, great looking Pro Stocks. As always, I mean, look at this thing, right? This is really something. So, you guys missed this. We aired this during the week, of course, because we didn't want to. I saw a friend of mine put up every single picture from a car show the other day, and I was like, no, that's not how you do it. You won't do that until afterwards. That way people come. I did that at Motorsports Expo back when the Patricks ran the show, and on the Thursday night of the setup, I got pictures of every single car, and then I walked in the next day and they kind of looked at me like, really, Doug? You put up pictures of our car and everything else? Nobody even needs to go to the show. And I was like, oh, no, you're right. So that's why we don't do that anymore. So love these mall shows, because this is how we bring in new fans right here. We can sit there and have the shows and do the YouTube videos and all that stuff, but without getting these cars in front of people that don't normally come, we're not really doing any, well, I'm not gonna say we're not doing any good, but we do more good, obviously, when we get them in malls. So kudos to everybody from Fonda Speedway for putting this show together. So as you can see, we're working our way towards the food court. We did get this driver. This is Kristen Schwartz. She'll be a rookie in the novice division. Did some karting for a lot of years. So we're going to do our best to show you a little bit about all the cars. I appreciate that. Thank you. Guy just walked behind me, so thank you, man. I like that. So we're going to keep moving around here and show you guys the cars that are here. Because again, the food court's coming up. This gentleman we met earlier, Josh Kane, he'll be in his first year in a full sportsman after a year of novice. So if you haven't seen that one by now, it's coming up. Chris Kugler is number 88. We'll go over here to a couple of the cars in the food court, which is not as many options as it was before, unfortunately. So, good looking car here. Ronnie Johnson has a new look. I know they were teasing it this week coming in, that they had a new lick. This is Jack, what he told me, Jack's car from 1988. Come back later in the week, we'll have that one up for you. He was the first interview that we got here. Gotta thank Supply Wagon Rentals out of Johnstown, Bobby Barron's company. Man, anything you need, they got it. Backhoes, I mean, whatever you got for a big project, I appreciate that. Or a big project, smaller project, anything you got, banquet facilities, everything from tables, chairs, cloths, everything, they got it all. And of course, racing with Swagger. They've been going for a few years now. I'm looking for him. I haven't been able to see him just yet. So make sure to look them up online. They helped us get here today too. Paid for our gas to come out. Thank you very much. We're going to be doing a lot this year, so we're going to be asking for some help from a lot of you guys on that. Basically, I'm taking the approach, we got to pay for something when we go, so we got to get something for going. I'm just going to stay home. This is one of Nick Stone's chassis right here. Get a chance to see what it looks like underneath. There's Nick right there. Nick, I take it this is one of your cars, huh?
This is one of those street stocks we're building.
Oh, this is a street stock. I knew some things looked different on it, but I couldn't tell. Okay.
These are the Johnson frames. We buy the frames and we put our cages on them.
Oh.
So what we do is we basically, it is the same cage as our Pro stock. And there's another company, Bernheiser, that has frames that you can purchase through there. They run them all over the country, really.
also street stocks are becoming a little more uniform than
Yeah,
they were.
actually, there's more places you can run these things than you can run our pro stocks.
Really?
Yeah, throughout the country.
So would you like this eventually to be the main part of the business, or 50-50 or something like that? What are you thinking?
I'd like to see that 50-50.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you might not want to ask this, so if you don't, it's okay. How much for this as it sits?
Well, that's a hard price to put on there because it's pretty much a roller at this point. But we're building them with a chassis, body, and interior for $10,000.
Okay, not a bad deal.
Yeah.
Good to see you again. And this is one of yours over here as well?
That's another one.
Here, come walk with me. Okay. This is a street stock.
Street tires on them.
Oh yeah. Okay.
What it is the location is stock. You can't adjust the bars up or down, and they can't be adjusted in or out either. Like we have to weld those up. So.
Okay.
So that's what kind of keeps it. That's what separates it from a pro stock.
Okay. So if you guys are looking for a street stock, you want a nice safe one where the welds are all good and clean and nice and new, make sure to get a hold of Nick. How can they do that real quick? What would you like them to do?
They can contact me by phone. It's 518-360-7409. We're on Facebook, Stone Motorsports. Online performance is us as well. You can contact us there or my personal page, Nick Stone. So there's many ways to get a hold of me.
Good to see you again, man. Have fun, okay?
Thank you.
So this, again, street stock that's basically ready for you to throw an engine and transmission with and then go race it. So you gotta like that. And of course, you guys know Nick builds quality stuff. This one's already got a crate engine in it. So this one, all they need is transmission and they're ready to go. So keep walking here, the 31J. And of course, you can't go to Fonda without a 10% car. They are right there. Matty D. Lorenzo. Right over here. I think I got enough time to run to the end of this row here. Got a little over 3 minutes left to go. Of course, Fonda Speedway is here. Make sure to come back. We did get them. You can see where we are. There's the other entrance right there. Again, food court is over that way. And again, thanks to Supply Wagon Reynolds and Racing with Swagger for getting us here. We would not be here today without them, literally. We were at zero. Hit the PayPal too. PayPal.me, Doug Elkins Racing. We could use some help coming into the season so we can expand our coverage this year. So that's what's going on here today. We're going to do another one of these in the other part of the mall, so look for another one here coming up soon.